Hey guys, it's Randy Bable here, Smoky Mountain Rentals, and we are back amongst all this COVID craziness. I'm down here by Gatlinburg off the Spur on Kings Branch Road. I've got a fantastic little cabin that's actually being renovated here by a man named Randy. Randy, where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
And from Pennsylvania. So he's down there. He's got this fantastic little two-bedroom cottage.
Yes.
Little two-bedroom cottage, right with a little creek front on King Branch Road, close to Gatlinburg, close to Pigeon Forge, close to everything that's really around that makes the Smoky Mountains, these Smoky Mountains. But I tell you what, instead of me waffling on, how about we have Randy tell us a little bit about the property. So tell me, Randy, what made you buy this property in particular?
We stayed down here about 4 years ago. We rented a cabin up the road here, and my wife just liked the area, and when this came up, that's it. This is the one we want to try and do something.
Well, it really is a fantastic spot.
Yeah, it is.
You know, so you got Sky Harbor just down the road here.
Yeah.
You know, with all the cabins up there.
Yeah.
So it's a fantastic, and this creek out front makes all that big thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me, inside the house, so you've done quite a bit of work from what I'm seeing already.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. So some of the things you've done are.
It's all new electric, all new plumbing. We removed the drywall, re-insulated the walls, tongue and groove on the walls, new flooring.
Yeah. So I think one of the most important things, because of the age of the house, is they've already gone through and stripped all the original electrics out. Is that correct?
Yes. Right.
Put all new wiring, brought everything up to code. The same with the plumbing, so there's no lead pipes. You got rid of all that.
It's all PEX tubing.
So that's all PEX tubing, which is all fantastic. Okay, so everything's all brought up to new code. So it's all scratched. And I know inside, we've been inside already, you got the tongue and groove on the walls and the floor.
Basically just gutted the whole thing and started over.
Yeah.
It was a little outdated and a little old.
Yeah. All right. Well, so outdated and old, but not no more. So you're actually going to be, and you're doing most of this work yourself with your son. And
I have help come. I've got people helping.
yeah. And you're actually a tradesman, so you know what you're doing.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's always important. Know what he's doing. But this is just basically an introduction to the house now, because we're going to sort of keep tabs on this over the next few weeks. Because I reckon, Randy, you're probably going to be done in another couple of weeks.
I would hope so. Yeah.
You would hope so. So weather permitting, and the COVID's done close everything down again, we should be back here in another couple of weeks, and we'll check it out then, and hopefully we'll have a finished home to take a look at it. Anyway, I'm Randy, and this is Randy. There are two Randys, Smoky Mountain Rentals, and we look forward to talking to you in the next episode. We'll see where we're at. Randy, fantastic job. All right, way to go. Thanks, bye.